Hey, welcome to my channel. About 2 years ago, I did a video on how to run and start a gas filling business in Nigeria at home. And a lot of people were interested, but there are some technical glitches in that video. So I promised to redo the video, and interestingly, I met the same person I interviewed that year. So if you are interested in knowing more about this business, how to run it, how to start it, this is a side hustle for some people. They have some other things they are doing. Like this person, he runs a POS business along with gas filling business. In Nigeria, you just have to combine one or two things to be able to earn well and expand your streams of income. If you're interested in this is some of the things I talk about on this channel. So subscribe, sit back, relax, and enjoy the interview. What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a follow-up on a video I once did on how to start a small gas filling business at home in Nigeria. A lot of communities require people who are interested in filling gas, and this is something a lot of people usually need for their cooking and all that. So if you are interested in starting something like this, I'm having a resource person who will be giving you an idea of how to start and run something like this. And from explanation he has given me, these are the basic three things you need: the scale, the main cylinder, 50 kg, and this. So I'm meeting you. Good to have you, sir. What's your name?
My name is Suri.
Okay. And how long have you been running this business?
This is close to, let's say, approximately 5 years now.
5 years. Wow. We did a video then, and then we talked about how to start with 100,000. But with the look of things now, do you think 100,000 is still enough?
As we know now that the current increase in price of things, especially dollar, conversion of dollar to naira, so we can say categorically that the price of these equipment has gone haywire now. So, but at least if you want to start a business in this country, especially the gas and all these things, you still have some, you can still cash on it, and with time you'll be able to make your profits and at least have a stable income from running a gas business
like this
in Nigeria.
Interesting. So what are the things that one need to start?
Now we just need a scale. That's the first thing. You need a scale.
How much is this?
And presently now you can still get this one at the rate of 65,000 naira.
So what's the price before?
Before you have it 38,000, but now you can get it at 65,000 naira.
Wow, it's on the high side. So what about the
now
pipe?
the cylinder, the 50 kg cylinder goes for around 80,000, 85,000 naira now.
Wow.
Why before, in maybe 2-3 years ago, you get it at the rate of 45,000 naira, 50,000 naira.
And the
so
pipe?
We have pipe. This one, this pipe goes for this long one. Let's just say 2 ruler. I mean, 2
maybe meters or
let's
feet.
say of this length.
Okay, this length.
So you get it at the rate of maybe 2,000 naira now. This is also very important because this is where the gas will come out from. This will give you the access to be able to get the cylinder, I mean the gas from the 50 kg cylinder down to the mini one that you want to fill up. So now at the moment now you get this small one at the rate of 8,000 naira.
Wow.
Now
this small one?
Yes.
Wow.
So
what's it called?
There is we call it what do we call it now? It's just like a pump. Just like a pump.
Gas pump. Okay.
So we have another one here.
Okay.
Just like this.
Okay.
So the two of them goes for that 6,000 naira, 6,500, 8,000 at the moment.
Both.
This one. So this is it.
Okay.
The two now goes for 8,000
now presently
at the moment.
So we're talking of 8,000, 80 some 85. That's almost 90 something, maybe
And it's
93.
something you will be able to use for a long
A
time.
long, okay,
So you
okay.
can't just the scale.
The scale
Maintenance is the major
is
problem.
the this
So
thing.
if you are able to maintain it, it will last for a while.
And the experience in learning, a lot of people, you really learn it. Did you learn it?
Yes, I learned it,
Okay,
and it takes me around, let's say, 3 weeks.
okay, from someone
Because
who is
if
running
you are
it.
someone that can
Learn,
quickly
learn
catch up
quickly. Yeah,
things,
okay.
so even a week you begins to your master will
Teach it.
introduce you to it, or you
Yeah,
start
yeah,
doing
do
this
this.
thing. So within a week, 2 weeks, you get used to it. You begins to fill up, and the only thing I notice is that if you are able to catch up within that stipulated short period of time, you can start your own business. It's
Okay.
not something you just go and stay there for 6 months. You are not signing any document, so you can't just stay there for 3 months, 6 months. Within 2 weeks you are able to
To
go.
go. Wow.
So, and the another thing you just need to tell your master to do for you is to teach you how to use the what's it called, fire extinguisher.
Okay.
So, and
Okay.
you
Safety
just need,
measure.
yes, just for safety measure. And you can just go with a sand and stuff like that, a bucket of sand beside you, and that will really help.
Help. Okay.
So that
Okay.
is that. So if you want to feel,
Okay.
just have to run your scale.
To zero. Okay.
So you run it to
On.
zero, it will run himself to zero.
Okay.
So from there,
Okay.
from this level, you can now insert your pipe
Okay.
into the cylinder. So you insert it in this
This
format. So it's done now.
Okay.
You place it on it.
Okay.
After placing it on it, you can see now that the
From
measure
zero.
of the pipe
Okay.
plus the
The
pump
weight.
and everything go reach
Okay.
9.2
9.2. Okay.
kg.
kg.
So whichever way you want to use that series
So
of
if
methods.
someone is adding like 6 kg now, this is
now,
kg. So
yes, you add
add it to this one.
6 kg plus
So
this, that will
that'll be
give you
15.
15.20.
Okay. Okay.
So from
But I
there,
always see people, they will just be doing like this, look like, is the gas not flowing very well?
now, yes, sometimes you see the pressure and
Okay.
temperature in the cylinder varies. So at a time that you see that it's not that running, you can quickly use your, what do you call it, screwdriver, to just, you remove it, remove this one, then you put your screwdriver just to reduce the pressure in the cylinder, and then you tighten it up again, and you continue with what you are doing.
Done.
So it doesn't take time. Within 6 kg, you can fill it within 1 minute or thereabout, or 2 minutes. That's
Is the business lucrative now? Are people still buying even with the high cost of gas? How much is a kg now?
Yes, it varies from the price you get it.
Okay.
Sometimes we get it at the price we get it will determine the
Okay.
price. So,
Okay.
but at the moment, 1,004
Okay.
at the moment.
Okay.
So, depending on, before we have 1,900,
Okay.
1,200, but now it's at 1,003, 1,004.
Okay.
So at the moment, and talking about lucrativity,
Okay.
it's still very lucrative,
Okay.
because there's no business to do in this country. At least the major aim is to have profits. The major aim is to have profits, and the profit varies as well depending on how you want it to be. So if you can still get 3,000, 4,000 on a cylinder, and I think as of the moment that is a good profit for someone. But some people do get 5,000, 6,000 on it, depending on what.
So
you
like,
want
how long does it take to fill something? I mean, to exhaust this now.
This
If
50
you have good customers
if
in
you
your
have
company.
a flowing customer, or
Okay.
let's say your community
It's
is
big,
big,
or you have a
so
good shop.
sometimes you can just exhaust it within 1.5 days.
So, and that's it. If you intend to run it, and this is a simple setup, you need three things: the scale, the pipe, and of course a cylinder where you'll be dispensing from. So if you have any other question, let us know in the comment box. We do videos like this, and if you also have any other business that you want us to talk about, kindly drop your comments. We will make an interview with someone who does something like this practically. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching. This is Small Business Arena.